Hello everyone. This is just a quick tip to help you with managing your menu items within Blackboard. If you're like me, you've had trouble, like moving this one around. Let's say you want to put it down here, but then you go to refresh your page or hit this little refresh thing up there, and you'll notice that sometimes it will move around like it just did there. I want it to go here above where it says syllabus, but it's moving back down. So if you're having that trouble, all you need to do is click on this up and down arrow thing here. You can then highlight the item you want to move it to wherever you would like, and then hit submit. You'll then get a confirmation, and voila, you can hit refresh as many times you want to and it doesn't move around. But if you're like me and you do use a lot of menu items, I don't have many on here because I'm still building the class, but figured I'd pass that little tip along to those that need a little assistance getting those to line up like you want them to.